So hi everyone, Krante this side, and in this video I'm going to talk about a very important topic, and this is for specifically for online coaches who are want to start the coaching business and are overwhelmed by how they should start in 2025, what they should be doing. So this is exactly happened with me like 1 month back. I was talking to one of my friend who just started the coaching business, and he's not able to like take my services, so he's taken my consultancy. Okay, and that was around like 2 hours of conversation. We were discussing like what he has started, what he has done, what he has not done, what he has to do, and everything. So this specific video is going to help you to analyze and channelize your every action step that will make you start your coaching business with the right strategy and roadmap. Okay, so if you have thought about starting with the coaching business, or if you are into a job and you want to start a coaching business as a side hustle, and then you, or maybe you have some kind of expertise which you want to take out to the world and help other people, and also you can also do it even if you have some skill set on your plate, and you want to leverage it for monetize it. Okay, so that's pretty much we are going to discuss, and I have created a document for this, and if any one of you want that document, you can like comment coaching business, or maybe just like coaching, and I will share it to with you. All right, so me and my friend was talking about, and he said like he has chosen the niche health. Okay, and so the first step is like you have to actually select the industry first, and then you do anything like. So the top three industries are like health, wealth, and relationship. These three. Now under health, it could be a sub niche you can start with. For example, health for moms, health for IT professionals, health for pregnant moms, health for older age people. Okay, relationship, when you say about relationship, you can choose something like dating for men, dating for women. Okay, how to heal after divorce, and how to prevent divorce, breakup recovery, and all of these kind of niches you can specifically choose under that niche. Okay, so that is something that you have to do at first place. You have to choose your profitable coaching niche. You have to choose the profitable coaching niche. So how a coaching niche become a profitable? It only becomes profitable when it solves a like topmost burning problem. Okay, the highest impact burning problem, the highest impact problem. If you are able to solve a highest impact problem, then it is a high paying niche, or it is a high, you will be able to get high paying customer. If for example, if people don't have that much of pain, they will not be ready to pay you. For example, if someone is having diabetes, and they have do not have any solution, and you have that kind of solution with you, and so it's a life and death kind of situation. Okay, so it's not like it should be every times. It could be in terms of monetary terms, it could be in terms of emotion, feelings, relationship, and those areas as well. Okay, so you have to think about the highest impact problem nowadays. So my friend was into health niche, so he told me like he want to help people to get to lose weight. Okay, that is his specific niche, because now your niche should also be related with your experience, with your authority. It should not be like this niche is like making money for someone else, I will also do this and it will make money for me as well. Okay, that's a very wrong approach. Although the fundamental will be the same, but having the relevant experience and authority in that niche is going to get you more credibility. Okay, in terms of you not having any experience in that niche. So though that's it. Okay, for example, if I am a fitness coach and I have lost around like 20 kgs, and I have got the shredded body, now I have my transformation story. Now I know everything about recovery, about fitness, about workout, about diet. Okay, so that your transformation story actually resonates with your niche. Okay, so for example, if a female coach is teaching housewives how to restart their career, okay, then she should have also been through that journey. Then she will be much on a credible position to teach all of that. So you can say something, walk the talk. Okay, so whatever you are going to preach, you should be also be doing in their life, or you have done it in their life. Okay, so this after this, how you are going, the second step is to validate the market. How you are going to validate the market? The validation of market happens when you put out your offer, and you can do it by running a poll. You can talk to some of your friends, family, and see if people are looking for that kind of solution from you, or maybe from someone else. What is the level of market awareness by even shorts? So is market is aware, or if you are selling something which nobody knows about, how is going to that work? Okay, after that you have to, now you know that you can do this by joining Facebook communities, joining WhatsApp group, joining Telegram channels. Okay, you can see how many books are written on that topic in that niche. Okay, that is something you can do. Secondly, you have to create your offer. So we have two steps were covered. The first step is to choose a niche, profitable niche. The second step to validate the market. Third step is to create your own offer. And I highly recommend three books of Alex Hermosi that you should be, as a coach, as a business owner who is want to start into go into the coaching space, should read. The first book is 100 million offers. The second book is 100 million leads, and the third book is 100 million money models. These three books you should be reading at least twice, and make notes on the go while you are reading that book, because it has everything that you need to start from scaling the coaching business. And if you do not, you can always speak with me, because I have gone through those books. I have implemented those strategies with many of the coaches. I know what's work in what niche. Okay, that is something I can help you out with. So third step is to, you have to create your irresistible offer. So when I say irresistible offer, it is the kind of offer which a person will feel stupid in saying no. Okay, so anyone who hear that offer is going to feel stupid if they say no to it. Okay, so that is kind of offer you have to create, and you can create it by three variables in it. The first variable is you have to increase the outcome. Okay, the second is you have to increase the outcome. For example, what is the bestest of outcome you can give someone else? For example, if someone come to me, I can give them 100 leads per day. Okay, by running 10 to 20,000 rupees per day ads. So that is something that I can do. I can give them leads on automation. Okay, so that when they wake up, they are fulfilled with so many leads. So first thing is this. First thing of this variable is this. Second variable is perceived likelihood of achievement. So you have to increase uh, the dream outcome. The second is like you have to increase the perceived likelihood of achievement, that that person is going to be is able to achieve that. Second is that. Third is that you have to decrease the efforts, decrease the effort from that client. So, and the fourth is that you have to decrease the time in achieving that. So for example, if you're a fitness coach, you have to say something like, I will help you lose 5 kg a month by just doing workout at home without no going to the gym, and with home diet. Okay, without any messy recipes, and all will be like home cooked. So you can rephrase everything in a very good 2 3 statements, and then you can create your offer. So this is something you can have your offer now. So for example, you can also say, like, if you're a career coach, you can say 6 weeks to fix your resume and get hired. Okay, either you are applying for internship or a job. Okay, or maybe get interviews in that area of time. Now after you decide this, now choose what is the method you are going to deliver the services. Since it is online coaching, so you have to deliver it online. So what is the various ways that you can do? First is like you can so there are multiple methods. The first is like one-to-one coaching, in which you are helping people one-to-one on connecting on Zoom call, phone call, WhatsApp call. Second is group coaching, in which many people are there and you are communicating one to many. Third is having online courses. Okay, and the fourth is hybrid of these. So in the beginning it is very much required that you start with one-to-one coaching, so that people feel motivated in and you also understand your end customer, that what is needs to be given to them, what are the things that they need, facing challenges, what are the topics that you need to cover in your coaching program, what are the things you need to remove it. So this way you can create your version 1 of your coaching program, version 2 of your coaching program, and so on. Okay. And the fifth step of this starting coaching business is to create a lead magnet, create a free or a low value lead magnet, so that people can come to you, give out your information, and they can start consuming your stuff. It could be a training video, it could be a checklist, guide, ebook, video course, and anything related to that. Okay, so that is something you can do. And now when you are able to make at least 1 to 2 lakh rupees organically, you know how to generate leads by reading all those books, or maybe outreaching to right set of people, and not in a salesy way. Okay, and then you can create your website. Okay, then you can create your website also, you can create a landing page also, and then put your lead magnet there. Okay, before that, just like doing organic outreach, talking to people in DMs will help you out. There's no way, there's no fancy thing you will be needing in the starting, because it will cost you a lot. Also, it will also give you a tech problem of understanding everything, how every piece is connected together. Okay, in the starting you have to also understand the business parameters, like what is the cash flow you have. Okay, how much cash flow is coming, are you breaking even, what is the number of outreaches you have to do per day basis to get appointments in a week. Okay, and then in a month. So what are the things they need to optimize on that basis. So, and with that you start building the organic content as well. Okay, so organic content, as in say, start creating the YouTube content like this video. You can start creating the Instagram reels, LinkedIn post, carousel post, and everything around your niche, and helping out people genuinely. So do not hold back something valuable, because not everyone is going to consume or your information. The thing that matters is your visibility. You're coming out every day on social media and getting in touch with the right set of people, getting engagement, getting views, and then we will see you as an authority, that this person has shorted n amounts of videos. Okay, and then he could be a credible person, or maybe a right person to get help with. So with all this, this is something you can do. So the fifth step I told you about, you have to build a lead magnet funnel. The sixth is like choosing the tech stack, right sort of tech stack. What are, like, whether you will needing a funnel builder, system.io, ClickFunnels, WordPress, whether you need a email marketing, WhatsApp marketing. Okay, what should be your domain hosting in all of those areas. Okay, whether you will be having your community on WhatsApp, Circle, School, or a Teachable, or what. Okay, and you have, even though if you are running ads, you have to do organic stuff regularly, so that people have this tendency, especially in India and outside everywhere, it is that when they are making a purchase decision, they go outside of the social media and search about you. Maybe they visit your social media handles, maybe they visit your Instagram. Okay, and then they make a decision. So that is why organic content should be your latest one, should be with your face. Okay, then it is good. Okay, and then I can start with advertisement. Okay, after doing it organically, if you are easily making 1 to 2 lakh rupees a month, you can easily spend on month. So consider your ad spend as a business expense of marketing. So every business has an expense of related to marketing. So that is something you are doing. Okay, and then the ultimate hack, or ultimate the rule is deliver result, deliver transformation, make case studies, get video testimonials, get WhatsApp testimonials, get text testimonial, and anything that works the most in your niche. For example, on fitness, you can get video testimonial also, or before or after photo of your clients. Okay, get on a Zoom call with them, get a video testimonial. Okay, this is something that you can do, that will help you leverage the more authority of other prospective who are looking to get the solution. So this is something, so in these 10 steps you can build your coaching business from scratch in 2025, starting from zero. No, nothing you have to be overwhelmed. This is the right strategy, this is the right roadmap. Many have scaled by this roadmap, and you do not have to be like very much techy or so. See, as a business owner, as someone who just started, have to learn all of these things step by step, not in a one go. Okay, so that is all for this video, and I hope you like this video. And if you're liking this my content, this is, so I'm creating this content for around 23 days, and this is my, I guess, day 5, and I will be continuing. So if you have any questions, doubt, you can comment down. I will try to get the grabs and reply you. And also, what are the problems you're facing in business, especially online business? I can help you out. I can create a topic or maybe video on that topic, and it will help you out. So this is it, and wish you all a happy Diwali. Thank you so much.